Want to learn how to change the password of your Snapchat account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Snapchat on my phone. You can also do the same and then tap on it. You can see that I am already logged in. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Scroll down. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Tap on password below email. So you can see that to set a new password, you need to enter your current password first. So make sure to do it. When you're done doing it, tap on continue below. Now you can set a good password by using a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers and symbols. Make sure to make it stronger. Now retype the new password to confirm it back again. When you're done doing both, tap on save below. Just by doing it, you can see that your password has been updated. So this is how you do it. Now you can go back and keep your very new password and use it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.